Hello our art friends! Today in Kiddycandraw we are going to learn how to draw Miraculous Ladybug. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. Draw an oval shape for the hair. And make a zigzag edge for the bangs. Then make another smaller part of the hair on the other side. Draw a longer strand of hair on the side. Then draw an ear partially hidden behind that strand and add a few details inside the ear for some texture. Draw Ladybug's pigtail coming out from behind the ear. Draw Ladybug's hair ribbon over the pigtail. Draw a letter C under the left side of the hair to make the mask. Complete it with a wavy line to make the lower part. Then connect it to the other side of the hair, making it partially hidden behind the hair. Draw the eyes inside by drawing a pointed oval shape. Then the iris and the pupil inside. Then color the pupil, leaving a white spot to show light reflection.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Draw some spots on the mask. Under the mask, draw the nose and a smiley mouth. Connect the mask on one side to the hair on the other side to make the face outline. Then make a small strand of hair coming down from behind it. Draw a small curved line intersecting the long strand of hair to make the shoulder. Draw a longer curved line to make the arm, with the elbow in the middle. Draw another line under it to finish the arm. Draw the hand coming out of the arm. Draw a small curved line under the chin for the other shoulder. Then draw a small line and another longer one connected to it. Draw another line under that one, showing the elbow. To finish the arm. To draw the other hand, start with a finger with a half circle at its bottom. Make a small curved line and connect another finger to it. Make a line for the palm. Draw the thumb. To make two folded fingers, draw a line going up, then another line next to it, going up then straight then down again. Make a horizontal line under that finger, then a line going up, connecting to the finger next to it. Draw a wavy line coming down from the bottom of the elbow, going all the way down to the foot. Draw a wavy line coming from under the shoulder, all the way down to complete the foot and finish the body. Draw a curved line coming down from the face to make the back. On the middle part of the body, make a letter V facing sideways to start making the other leg. Then make another line to complete the thigh and the line partially hidden behind the thigh. To finish the lower leg, extend those two lines on the other side of the first leg. Then draw the foot. Decorate the ladybug with spots all over. Lucky charm! Now you can draw Miraculous Ladybug. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.